while we're waiting for the indigo to settle and be ready to dye with, we're going to do a couple of quick pattern making techniques so that we can soak them and then for them to be ready to go into the indigo. So, in all of your DIY kits, there is a organic cotton scarf. It's been scoured, which means pre-prepared for you to dye. It's been fully washed on a really hot setting so that all the greases and grimes from production have been removed. So this will help you get a really clear, strong pattern. So what we're going to do first is we are going to do a lollipop stick pattern, which is quick and straightforward. Let me just get rid of those plastic bands. So first of all, we're going to halve the scarf, and then we're going to fold it one way, halfway, back on itself, and then fold it back on itself again, like that. So you're creating a zigzag fold. Okay, and then we're going to fold it in half again. So you end up with a long rectangle. Then you're going to get your lollipop sticks, get an elastic band, tie the elastic band, just check that's going to be long enough, tie the elastic band onto the end of the lollipop sticks on one end really tightly. And we're going to tie that on there, like that, and then lollipop stick, elastic band, the lollipop sticks on. This. Really tightly, wind the elastic bands around really tightly. Okay, so that's one. We can do it all the way along. So how many? We've got one, and it helps to place them where, just so you can see, get a rough idea of where they are going to be in your pattern. Okay, so yeah, it's going to be even if we keep at that distance. It takes time to get it all in the right place, so don't rush it. Just take your time, and there's no need to go too quickly. Okay, put that one in there. So by popping these on, we're creating a resist so the dye cannot penetrate through in between the areas we've tied very, very tightly. Okay. You can do this with all sorts of different shaped lollipop sticks, or even chopsticks. Anything that's, you just need two of them. So two pieces of wood that are the same width and length, so that you can mirror image them and tie them either side. So therefore they're creating a shape, the same shape on either side that you are then tying down tightly. Okay, we're getting there. You don't have to do them evenly. You could also do them zigzags. So we do one zigzag maybe. By positioning the lollipop sticks on an angle, you'll get a zigzag. By straight lines like this, there will be straight stripes. So you can play around with the pattern and mix it up. So you'll get a variation of zigzags and stripes. You could put two of the lollipop sticks really close together. Let's do a zigzag on this one. Sometimes the elastic bands break. Here we go. Nearly there. Okay. All right, last one. So, let's pop this up here. Okay. I'm going to bring this further up to the end because of the fold, the center fold. So try and imagine how it's going to look like when it's unfolded. So the more you do these patterns, the more you can sort of imagine how the zigzag accordion folding is going to affect the pattern. Okay, so there we have the lollipop sticks tied in. Now what is really crucial now is once we've done this, we're going to soak it in some water. Let me grab some more water. Just in a bowl or a bucket. If it's warm water, that's great. Okay. And so, let me bring that over here. So by soaking it, it opens up the fibres. It's a bit like when we have a hot bath or a shower and then you put cream on, your cream soaks in much quicker. The same thing with the fibre. If the fiber's soaked in warm water, or any water, slowly the fibers will open up. So they're like this to start off with, and they'll slowly open up a bit more, and then they'll take on the dye a lot more effectively, smoothly, more intensely. So squeeze it in, but give it a good 10 minutes to have a soak. Some people soak for an hour. It doesn't matter, you can forget about it in that bowl or bucket. Just let it soak.